This is just a quick grammar revision on determiners, and some of you might want to revise this. Determiner is a grammatical term to determine a noun, and it's only quite recently has been included into primary school grammar terminology. So what determiner is, you put it before a noun to determine what kind of noun it is. So there's a whole list of determiners. Most of you will probably know a, an and the as determiners, which are also articles. So for example, you can have a girl or the girl. If it's the girl, it's obviously a specific girl, which we know, a girl, any girl, yeah? And you put an with a noun with a vowel, which starts with a vowel. But there are also other determiners, such as this, that, these, those, some, any, no, many, much, all, every. So you can have some flowers, you could have much what? Incountable, much sand. You could have many people, no people. Yeah, it determines a noun. You put it in front of a noun. Also, determiners are numbers, any numbers, 1 girl, 5 boys. Determiners are also possessive pronouns such as my, your, his, her, its, their, our. So pronouns could be determiners as well, but only possessive ones. Possessive pronouns means pronouns which show that something belongs to someone. Yeah, so you could have your pencil, yeah, or you could have our classroom. Also, if it's not a pronoun but someone's name with an apostrophe, like Olivia's coat, Olivia's in this case is a determiner, or Peter's ball, Peter's in this case is a determiner. So I've split them into 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 parts, so you could learn them this way. So all the articles, so you could chant them, probably chanting them, remembering them by heart is the best way. A, an, the, these, that, these, those, some, any, no, many, much, all, every. There are more, but just learn these for now. Numbers, any numbers. Then possessive pronouns, my, your, his, her, its, their, our. And someone's name, and then the noun, yeah, with an apostrophe. So something belonging to someone, that could be a determiner as well. These are the type of questions you might have in your SATs papers. It might say, circle all the determiners in the following sentences. When I arrived at the station, I saw many beautiful engines there. So what are determiners in this sentence? Well, we know that articles a, an and the are determiners. So I'm going to circle the. Okay, I saw many beautiful engines. Oh, let's have a look. Many. Oh, many is a determiner. But what goes after determiner? We don't have a noun because noun is this, engines. And we have an adjective that's squeezed in between a determiner and a noun. So you could have this that way as well. So it's not always that a determiner is right in front of a noun. Sometimes you might have an adjective squeezed in between. Can you see? Now, second sentence. These beautiful flowers were bought by my friends. Okay, so let's have a look. These flowers, again, we have an adjective, wonderful, which squeezed in between our noun and the determiner. These wonderful flowers were bought by my friends. Ooh, what friends? My friends, yeah, my friends. So my, as a possessive pronoun, it can also be a determiner. Pass me some flour, please. Full stop. Okay. So some, can you see some is a determiner? Lisa has no money left on her bank account. Full stop. No. No is a determiner, no money. That's a noun. Left on her bank account. Well, her is a possessive pronoun and it's also a determiner in this case because it determines a noun, the bank account. Now, Daniel's jacket has 2 buttons missing. Well, first of all, you could have someone's name with an apostrophe belonging to someone as a determiner because it determines jacket, yeah? Has 2 buttons missing. Okay, 2 numbers, can you see here? Is a determiner as well. Determines the buttons. Buttons is our noun.